Hey, what's up guys? John Osumi from Motionshooter Photography coming at you again with another video. About an hour before the sun comes up, so I'm trying to get to the spot where I want to get for the shoot today. And today, going for some landscaping shots. And I've got my scene picked out already. I had this all thought out last night. I'm going to go to a spot where I know there's going to be some reflection in the water, in the ocean water. And knowing that there's kind of a cloudy condition out there, what I'm hoping that I'll capture today is reflections of the clouds in the water. And so I know a spot where I'm going to go, and now I'm just heading there, so stay tuned. This is getting into the favorite time of the year that if I'm going to shoot landscapes, this is the time of the year that I like to do it. Today's kind of a special day just because we don't normally have these kind of clouds during the autumn time. Typically we're a little drier and we have clear skies, so this is a bonus, the fact that we have, I think there's a hurricane lurking offshore, maybe not off our shore, but down by Mexico, down south. So that gives us the clouds and we get the humidity. All right, we arrived at our destination. Very dark, but you know, when you want to get the shot, early bird gets the worm. So here we are. So as I'm thinking about how I want to compose my picture, obviously the sunrise is going to be part of the equation. So part of the reason why I picked the place that I picked for today's photo shoot is that I know that I can aim my camera across the water and the sunrise will kind of be in the distance. So it's kind of a cool setup, and with the clouds and all that, if I get lucky with the sunlight and I get reflections off the bottom of the clouds, that'll be exactly the look that I'm going for. But you never know. You just have to plan everything out and then take what you get once you get there. Just really quick, talking about the camera settings I'm going to use. Today, at least until the sun comes up, I'm going to be on 30-second exposures, so that's quite a long time. I've found with the lens that I'm using, I'm going to be at f/16, and it goes all the way to f/22, but I found f/16 to be kind of a sweet spot for this particular lens. And with the landscapes, what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus 1/3 into the scene that I'm shooting, and with that you should be able to get much of the foreground and most of the background in clear focus. And for me, that's the most important thing in a landscape, is you want as much of the photograph in focus. And there might be some special occasions where you don't, but for what I'm shooting today, I do want everything in focus as clearly as possible. I don't think I quite got the shots that I envisioned, but with that said, I think we still did get some good shots. It's just the conditions were a little bit different than I expected. I didn't see any reflections on the water like I wanted, but you know, the clouds are really cool, so I think those are going to come out really good. If we can make sure that we bring out the detail in them. Now I got the long hike back to the car, and then some editing to do, and a lot of anticipation, waiting to see what it's going to look like. The good thing is you don't have to wait. I'm going to show you these photos right here, right now. Thanks for watching. This is John Osumi from Motionshooter Photography.